Hello my dear students, I am here again with your math class. So dear students, our exercise 5.1 is already completed, which is from chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. So before starting exercise 5.2, we should know about some basic things of exercise 5.2. Okay, so let's discuss about these things. So here I draw two lines. One is vertical straight line and one is horizontal straight line. Okay. So here you can see that here four side is given. This side is north. This is east. This is south, and this is west. Okay. So how can one clock is round? So if a clock round this way, we should call this way as clockwise. Okay, so this is clockwise, and this way, if the clock round this way, we should call this as anti-clockwise. Okay, so this side we should call as anti-clockwise. Okay, so now we will understand some angles. So in previous class 5, both of you understand that what is right angle, what is straight angle. Okay, so right angle means like L shape. Okay, L shaped angle we should known as right angle. Okay, so this angle maybe we should draw like this way or this way. Okay, so L shaped angles we should known as right angle. Okay, so in this picture you can see that here 4 L is given. First L is this, then north to west, then west to south, then south to east. Here totally how many right angles is formed? Here totally 4 right angle is formed. First one is north to east. Here is one right angle. This is 90 degree. Second one is east to south. Here is another right angle. Okay, this is also 90 degree. Third right angle is south to west. This is one right angle. Next is west to north. This is another right angle. Okay, so here totally 4 right angle is given. So now we will understand what is straight angle. So in previous class both of you learned that what is straight angle. Straight angle means this will be totally straight. Okay, so right angle is 90 degree and straight angle will be 180 degree. So here which is straight angle? Here straight angle is east to west. Okay, so this totally will be straight angle. This totally will be straight angle. Okay, so what is the value of straight angle? This is 180 degree. This whole part will be 180 degree. Okay, in this way the other side also form one straight angle. Okay, so this is also 180 degree. This is also 180 degree. And if I draw the whole circle, this will be one complete angle. Okay, so what is the value of one complete angle? Complete angle means the whole circle. Okay, so the value of complete angle is 360 degree. Okay, so now you will understand this. First one is 90 degree. If 290 degree is given in one straight line, then this will be 180 degree. Okay, and this way if the full circle is given, this is total complete angle. So what is the value of complete angle? This is 360 degree. Okay, so dear students, now I will discuss about say basic things of exercise 5.2. So here I draw one clock. So here I will show you the straight angle and right angle with the help of the hands of this clock. Okay, so in this clock here you can see that here one angle is formed. Okay, so which kind of angle is here is formed? Which kind of angle is this? This is straight angle. Okay, because here given one straight line, so this is one straight angle. Okay, so what is the value of straight angle? We know that the value of straight angle is 180 degree. Okay, and you should remember one thing, that one straight angle equals to 2 right angle. Okay, one straight angle. So here I draw one straight angle. One straight एंगल दो राइट एंगल से फॉर्म होता है. ओके, so what is the value of straight angle? The value of straight angle is 180 degree. और राइट एंगल का वैल्यू कितना है? One right angle is 90 degree and another right angle also 90 degree. Okay, that means if we plus two right angle then we get one straight angle. Okay, so here I give from 12 to 6. From 12 to 6. Okay, so if the round is I given the whole round, then I will call this as a whole revolution. Okay, but here only half is given, that means this is a half of revolution. Okay, this I call as half of a revolution. So half of a revolution, if this is start from 12 and this end in 12, अगर ये 12 से स्टार्ट होके 12 पे खत्म होता तो हम बोलते वन रिवोल्यूशन. ओके, पर ये देखो सिर्फ हाफ ही खत्म हुआ है, सिर्फ 12 से 6 तक हाफ ही खत्म हुआ है. दैट्स व्हाई वी शुड कॉल इट एज हाफ ऑफ ए रिवोल्यूशन. दिस इज नोन एज हाफ ऑफ ए रिवोल्यूशन. ओके, एंड वन स्ट्रेट एंगल मीन्स टू राइट एंगल. So the next one is 6 to 9. 6 से 9 तक गया है hands of the clock. So this is clockwise. Clockwise ऐसे जाता है. अगर उल्टा घूमता तो this will be anti-clockwise. Okay. So 6 to 9 is clockwise. So here I write from 6 to 9. So here which kind of angle is formed? So this is very easy. Here right angle is formed. So one right angle means 90 degree. Okay, so today up to this much. If you have any confusion regarding these basic things, then you can ask me in my WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.